Like, whoa. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikki Sarah. If you are new here, thanks for stopping by. My channel is all about fashion and lifestyle, specifically fashion sustainability and personal style. I'm so passionate about fashion sustainability and then also personal style. And today's culture is so easy to just lose who you are and how to express yourself with so many trends and that's being pushed out on social media on like the mafia look, quiet luxury, what you should be wearing, what you shouldn't be wearing. And you know, with a lot of that influencing, you could some way somehow just lose yourself and not even know how to express your personal style. So my channel would be dedicated to influencing your personal style, finding your personal style, knowing your silhouettes, learning how to be sustainable with your purchasing, also wearing your closet, etc. I feel that it may be a huge gap right now with that, again, because we're constantly being sold something every second of the day. And now that we have access to the internet through our phones, then you know, we pretty much carry this pressure with us like just every day. So I thought that this little short clip or video would just give you some idea and some background of who I am and what value I want to bring to my videos and why you should be watching my videos, and also trying to work in my passion. So enough with me rambling. I'm home. I'm sure you can see the background. The microwave is beeping because I'm about to eat my little dinner. But just to share, in corporate America, I have a degree in fashion. I interned in New York years ago, and I also, while interning and going to school, and I ended up in corporate America, now working in my passion, and now the opportunity to focus on my passion. So just a little bit about my day, like that needs to be decluttered. Small closet, crap all over. Let me actually go in. All over the place that I need to declutter. So I said, you know what? I need to get used and very comfortable with videoing myself, and just thought, let me just pick up the camera and just talk to my soon to be audience. Just came back in from running errands, and weird thing happened. I was getting gas, going into the service station to pay for the gas, and this guy walks up, and he's just like, well, he's in front of me. He's like constantly, he's like eye to eye, like looking at me. And I'm just like, you know, looking around. I know that he's like looking and staring, but I'm kind of shy in a way as well. So I'm trying to ignore him, and I'm just pretending like I'm looking for an item. I'm looking around in a store, and then it's finally my turn to walk up to pay for the gas, and he's just like, what's your lineage? And I'm like, what? And he's like, what's your lineage? And I'm like, just question mark. And he's like, oh, you probably don't even know what I'm saying. I was like, I understand what you're saying. So he's like, white, black, whatever. And I briefly was just like, black, I do have family. I didn't just spill the beans. So he writes on his receipt. And the guy that's behind the register, this is a place I frequently go to get gas because it's close to my apartment. And he's like giving me the look like, oh Lord, like here we go with this crazy person. And these days, you just, the microwave is constantly beeping. You know, these days you don't want to like completely be rude to people because you just don't know their reaction. So I was not rude. So I paid for my gas and I'm slowly trying to walk out. Because again, I don't want this guy to think that I'm just being an asshole or whatever. And then he gives me this receipt. He's writing on his receipt, gives me his YouTube channel, his number, and something about legacy and blah, blah, blah. But I just thought that was so weird. I was just like, what's my lineage? Like, and then I came home to look in the mirror. I'm like, was there something, like, did I do my makeup differently or something? Like, well, why would he ask that? But anyhow, you never know anyone's intentions. So I'm going to cut to the video. I hope you all enjoy. Again, I really want to inspire you all to just shop your closet, not be afraid to thrift, and just think outside of the box, be inspired by the trends and runways, but also finding and exploring your personal style and just doing you instead of just everyone is looking the same. You know, everyone's looking the same. You know, same hairdo, same way. It's just like we're robots. You have to apply your makeup the same way. You have to contour the same way. You have to pre-poop your hair the same way. You have to, when you go shopping, you need to look specifically for this. You only can be stylish if you fit into this box. And it's just so frustrating. I come from a generation where people just had different looks. 80s, 90s, that's my generation. You had a group of Black women that had short hair, long hair, natural hair, braids, you know, different makeup, different looks. The box that you could put them in they were Black women, but for the most part, they all brought something different, you know what I'm saying, to the game. So that is my motivation and my inspiration, and I hope that is expressed in my videos. So enough with me rambling. I'm going to prepare my food, pull together another video, and work on doing shorts. I'm not on TikTok and I'm not on Instagram. I don't know why I'm so hesitant and just like nervous, but hopefully I'll land on those pages as well. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're enjoying this video. The next clip will be inspiration from and styling from the pieces that I found from the thrift store.